whānau. Welcome to one of the council updates. I'm Antoinette and I'm down here today with some of our tamariki from Turangi on our under 9s team and under 7s team. We're just down here just giving an update on what this building means to us and some little bit of history on our fields and this building.
It's going to have our changing rooms, our kitchen and toilets, so that we can have prize giving and we can basically do anything in there.
Having this building is going to make me happy playing with my friends.
Having fun. Run around. We can run around.
What it means for us is that our kids they've got somewhere nice and warm to get changed, and we've got somewhere for our kaumātua to go and be dry and still watch their moko play on our fields. Mamas to go in there with their babies while we have our wet weather in Turangi and frost and rain. So it'll be good for us to be able to run this building and have new fencing and new lighting as well when that's finished.